I got a good deal on this duplexer in a eBay auction. It's a 2 meter duplexer, but the cable harness was in really tough shape. It's old cable. The jackets were crunchy and cracked, and I think moisture had gotten in, and so the braid was starting to corrode. It also seemed like from measuring the lengths that they had been for maybe a commercial application originally. The length on the two different sides of the duplexer was quite a bit different, suggesting to me that it had had two widely separated frequencies it was set up for. So somebody online had kindly measured up one of the new production cable harnesses from the manufacturer, and they just make two different ones now, one for the high part and one for the low part of the VHF band. And so I was able to kind of cross-check those dimensions with what I measured here, and everything made sense, so I went ahead and used the new dimensions. Um, so yeah, let's take a look at making up some cables. I took the old ones apart so I could measure them and be sure what I was seeing. So I ended up reusing the connectors, but normally I don't think I'd do that. It's a lot of work to take them off and kind of make them usable again. You gotta desolder the pins and use solder braid to wick the solder out and stuff. So I don't think I'd normally do that, but in this case I wanted to tear the cables down anyway, so it worked out and saved a couple of bucks. Prepping the ends of the cables was a little fiddly. I have a tool for it, but it's set up for a different style of connector than these end connectors that I had recovered from the old cables, so I had to use that to kind of get started and then go old school with razor blade and uh, snips to finish it up. And I, if I had more to do, I'd probably buy a prep tool that would work. Although sometimes those even depend on like what kind of cable you have and everything. So yeah, this is RG213, which I had some of, and I guess is what Sinclair uses now in their new production harnesses. I know a lot of folks prefer to use something with a silver-plated braid and a double shield. But as I say, that's what they use now, and I think in my application it's going to be fine. I don't expect any trouble getting the desired isolation with this cable. So we'll see how it goes, though. Maybe I'll end up making up another set of these. Here they are all in place. Getting ready to tune the duplexer, which I think will be my next video. So till then, take care.